Hold it steady, coming down now. Watch the rear right.
Copy that. Adjusting tension on the rear.
Looks good from here. Center alignment is perfect.
Clear on the left. Okay, lowering slowly. Watch the studs. Perfect alignment.
Lowering now, steady. Clear on the left side. Alignment looks good, gaps are tight.
Lift together now. Watch the edge clearance.
Clear on this side, pin alignment looks good.
Setting it down slowly. Secure. Upward swing. Once secured, we'll see the
Check the gap tolerance on the rear edge.
It's within the required parameters now.
Verify the pushrod linkage setting against the schematic.
Confirmed. The magnetic dampers are calibrated.
Lower slowly, 5 millimeters. Steady on the starboard side.
Confirmed alignment. Lock it down.